Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Mom and I are having a garage sale today. We're clearing out all the clutter before Christmas. We have a lot of junk to get rid of, both of us, so it's gonna be nice to get rid of all this stuff, make a little extra cash right in time for the holidays. It is 8:24. We're just getting started, but we've already had a slew of people come in. We weren't even ready yet. We were still setting up. So it's been a little stressful this morning, but we're doing well so far, so wish us luck. I think one of the keys to having a successful yard sale is pricing your stuff ahead of time. That way when people are asking you about prices, you already know in your head what you want for that item. Then it's easier for people to see what you're asking so they know if they want it or not. So I have a bunch of holiday stuff out here. I went through all of my holiday bins, so got lots of Christmas stuff. I still have a lot more stuff in the trailer that hasn't fit on the tables yet, so I will get that out as we go. It is now 10:40. We've done really well. We've sold quite a bit of stuff. I think I've made close to $70. I think my mom has made over $100, which is insane. We still have quite a bit left, but we're doing well. We're supposed to get some kind of tropical wave today, so it's supposed to storm pretty bad, so we're hoping that we can make it to at least noon before we have to pack everything up and call it a day. Everything that we don't sell will get donated because we're not bringing it back into our house. If you want to get rid of the clutter, you just got to get rid of it. So that is what we're doing. So yeah, it's going well. It's actually 80 degrees right now, which is nice, and then we have a bunch of cloud coverage, so it's kind of the perfect morning to do this, as long as the rain holds out. Mom has a couple pillows, some bags, some shoes. She's got lots of linens, tablecloths, napkins, all kinds of stuff. She sold quite a bit of clothes already. Not much left. That's all of her boxes stashed, everything was in. She's got lots of cute stuff. Oh, I like that lampshade, that's cute. I'm kind of thinking I want to keep this chalkboard sign. If she doesn't sell it, I might take it home with me because I feel like that would just be cute for pictures. So I thought I'd just show you guys what we're getting rid of. Mom has all kinds of stuff that she's acquired from going thrift shopping all the time. Lots of books. And again, she prices everything, which is obviously where I learned to do that. These are really cute, these lily cups. I feel like if she doesn't sell those, I may keep those too. And she's been going through my stash, taking stuff. I've been going through her stash. And look how cute this butter dish is. I think that's adorable. Little cow butter dish. So I sold all my big stuff, a lamp and some other stuff, but just little knickknacks. It is now 12:45. We are wrapping everything up. It started to rain a little bit, so we thought, oh man, we better pack everything up, and then it has held off, so hopefully we can get everything loaded up before it pours. But I did really well. We're getting tables taken down. Mom's got quite a bit left, but she always has so much stuff to sell at garage sales. So packing up the cars, and we're gonna go take it to the donation center. Garage sale is officially over. I just came in to count all my money. I did sell some stuff online on Facebook and OfferUp, and I made $55 with that. So with all the money I made at the garage sale, I made $149, which I think is pretty great for just getting rid of clutter. So the rest of it's going to go to donations. Mom made $200 selling stuff online, and she made, what did we say, $215.50 today. So we did pretty well, especially for a day when it's supposed to storm. So very happy with how we did. I just got home after we dropped off our donations. We went and had lunch at Jersey Mike's. It was a great morning for a yard sale. It was overcast, so it wasn't too hot. The rain thankfully did hold out until we were done with the garage sale. It's been pouring ever since, but thankfully it didn't pour this morning. We made a decent amount of money. We donated quite a few items, and the best part of all, my house is now clutter-free and ready for the holiday season, and that feels so nice. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this short garage sale vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave in the comment section below any garage sale tips that you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.